Today, I'm starting my journey in London, where I'll be flying to Dubai overnight in British Airways Club Suites business class. I start my evening in a very quiet Terminal 5, where I quickly make my way through first wing security. I get access as a BA Gold Card holder, although business class passengers can make use of one of two fast-track lanes in the terminal. I'm back at Heathrow Terminal 5 today, just going through the first wing entrance. Gonna grab a couple glasses of champagne, a bit of food, and then head off on this flight. Now, let's have a quick look at the BA Gallery's first lounge. The terrace is my favourite spot here, so I grabbed a seat in the corner and used the QR code on the table to order a glass of champagne and a beef taco. But I didn't have long before my flight started boarding from the B gates, so I hopped on the transit train and made my way over. I'm on a 777-300ER today, sitting at the very front of the business class cabin in seat 5K. As soon as I'm seated, I'm served a glass of champagne and the club board menu's handed to me. I had a quick look, but before we take off, let's have a look around the seat. By the windows, there's a small storage space with a vanity mirror on the inside. Then another small storage space, which I always use to keep my passport and wallet, and another slightly bigger storage space with the IFE remote, a universal power socket, a headphone port, and USB charging. Note there's a little gap where you can run any cables through when the lid is closed. Right under that, we have the seat recline controls and a touchscreen with preset positions on the left, and a bigger storage bin below with the safety cards. Straight ahead, we have the in-flight entertainment screen and the pull-out table, which can be unfolded. There's also a little reading light, which can be popped out, and a raisable armrest on the aisle side. The seat is fairly private, which can be improved by closing the door after takeoff. Speaking of, as we ascend above a dark London, I'm able to close my suite door and put on the BA branded noise cancelling headphones to watch something whilst waiting for dinner service. I'm served another glass of champagne and some packaged nuts, which I enjoyed before I was able to place my order. British Airways were operating a reduced meal service on this flight, as this was a few weeks before they reintroduced the full meal service, so unfortunately everything was served on one tray. This was more akin to the service provided on their Club Europe short-haul business class. I went for the chicken curry option, which was pretty tasty, and on this occasion, the one-tray meal service meant I was able to finish faster to get more sleep. Before I make up my bed, let's have a look at what's inside the leather, white company-branded Amenity kit. There's everything you'd expect: an eye mask, a pair of socks, lip balm, lotion, moisturizer, earplugs, a pen, and a toothbrush and toothpaste. With that out of the way, I made up my bed for the night. A thin mattress topper is provided, along with a plump pillow and the cover. The bed is comfortable enough, although it can feel a little cramped around the shoulders depending on your position. Before I got too cozy, I went to brush my teeth and check out the toilets. Standard plain toilets here with some extra amenities for business class, otherwise nothing really special. The lights had been dimmed on my way back, so I had a quick walk around. This plane has a very premium heavy configuration, with business class split over 3 cabins. As I got back to my seat, I tucked myself in and called it a night. I woke up just before landing, having managed to get a touch under 5 hours of sleep. Feeling slightly but not fully refreshed, I took in the morning views of the Emirati cityscape in the distance. Overall, from a hard product perspective, the BA Club Suites product is miles ahead of their previous business class seat, which I would actively avoid flying on. Looking at the soft product, this was way better than my travels during peak pandemic times, where I was handed a plastic wrapped sandwich in the same Club Suites, although this wasn't quite back to the full service level, which is currently being offered. I'm planning on flying Club Suites again soon, so definitely subscribe to see what the full service offering looks like. And whilst I brave the August heat in Dubai, make sure to hit like and let me know your thoughts on BA Business Class in the comments. Till next time.